So y'all mother trucking, River Sun 15 back for another dip video.
Oh yeah.
Boy, got something special for y'all. Hopefully we won't be thrown up on camera.
Oh shit.
Cause we about to do us a little old suicide dip. This cheap ass cancer in a can. Kayak natural fine cut. Kayak long cut mint.
Straight.
Kayak grape. Kayak peach.
And kayak straight.
Alright, we're gonna get a can.
My personal favorite is kayak peach long cut. Best shit ever. What?
That dip in there.
What was that? That grizzly mint?
Yeah.
Fuck that shit out of here.
Alright.
It smells like mint now. Ugh.
We got mint right here. Alright.
Nasty.
First one we're gonna crack open is we're using a grizzly mint can. First one we're gonna crack open is the natural fine cut.
I'm cracking open this peach right here.
Sound that sexy right there. Gonna crack the can.
Orgasmic.
Alright. Since we both gonna be taking the pinch out of here, we're gonna. This is fine cut. I see why.
Now you can see why I don't like that shit. You put a big old one in there?
Now just put a regular one and we both gonna be dipping out of here. Alright, here comes the mint.
Just a tad bit more.
That one's moist. The peach smells good. Yeah. Alright, here comes the mint. Dude, look at that shit. The can bottomed out. Popped out. Smells just like gravy.
Nasty fucking shit.
Alright. Here comes the grape, y'all.
I don't think I've ever even had kayak grape.
Yeah, it's alright. It's pretty good to me, even though I don't dip it. Alright.
Sounds like some grape. Smells like some grape medicine.
Grape soda, kind of. Yeah.
That's gonna be about a fucking full can right there.
Alright, here we go. Get this shit packed over. Pack, dip, spit, and hopefully not puke. Since you bought it, you get the honor of doing the first.
Alrighty.
No pussy dips. There ain't no pussies in here. This whole can got
What got you?
this guy.
You know, I'm just fucking.
Alright. Oh boy. Whew. I smell that mint from here.
Right, half the can right there. Shit.
That's about 2 good old whole legs. Oh, nuts. That's a set of nuts right there, boy.
Fucking bull nuts right here, boy.
Oh boy, shit we do for y'all. Oh, what is that, man?
Huh?
What is that?
Yeah. You put some more in. I can take one.
Tip my dick bigger than that.
Like I want another shit.
No one. Alright, y'all. I want to show y'all how to do it. Now, right here. Have a bell palm nut. Kill it, Phil.
Steal my shit. Yeah, no, about so big for kill can.
Let this sit in for a minute. Well, you definitely taste the mint. Got a hint of grit. You don't taste no natural. No straight.
I can feel the damn fine cutting there. I'll taste the peach a little bit.
Most I taste the mint. Yeah, I can hit the peach. The peach, I mean.
Hit the peach.
You definitely don't taste like no tongue.
Hell no. But I mean, kayak and Timberwolf do everything.
Yeah. Mm.
It might be an expensive motherfucker. Well, we need to do a Copenhagen.
But there's only one kayak we're missing, that's the green apple. That was what I was most looking forward to.
Yeah. I thought they'd have that shit for sure.
Mm-hmm. No, I spit on myself.
I can't say shit. I done did that shit too many times.
Yeah, you can tell a lot of people don't get this shit dry.
Right.
Not too many people do what we do.
I went to the store and stacked up on Lancaster chewing tobacco. Fucking $7 for fucking.
Pretty much. One, you're actually paying for both of them. Ain't
Right.
shit free these days.
Hell no.
You did that in English like $3.99. Save $1.
Fuck yeah.
That's what you get when you go one of these Indian ass damn chink eyed looking some bitch ass stores. You don't like our racism, fuck you. You're in the South, move up north. Never heard nobody keep going on retired and move up north.
Right? Never.
Nah, I finally spit some black. But yeah. Ain't all that great. Not as bad as I thought it was. It's going to be.
I ain't throw them up.
Yeah, me on that. Not yet.
I don't taste that great.
Mm-hmm. But yeah. We got a lot of dip. We probably don't end up doing dip video for everyone. It was crazy. Alright. 3 cans of this.
Let me get that. Oh my god.
The natural, the grape, and the peach for 99 cents. Fucking grape and straight is $1.19. Tell me what's up that shit. Smells like peach Swisher Sweet. Which kayaks is made by the Swisher Sweet Company.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Swisher International. Wheeling, West Virginia.
Did you take me a trip up there?
Yeah, ain't all that bad. Tell you what, I won't be doing it again.
Hey, dude. You need to take it.
What?
Are you geeked up, man?
Nah, I wish.
Yeah, we need to take a trip up Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
Yeah, I want to try some of that thing.
Smoking old smoking moonshine.
Yeah.
Chewing tobacco.
Yeah.
I've heard Outlaw. I've seen some of his videos on that. I really want to try some cherry whiskey, chewing tobacco.
Corn whiskey. Mm-hmm. Well, they got beach nut moonshine, but I don't know where to get it anymore. I don't think they even sell it anymore.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it in years.
He said they got it up there.
No, they don't have beach nut. They got regular old smoky moonshine, chewing tobacco.
What was up with Katie, dude?
Get this. My damn girlfriend, we was on the phone the other night, and she was talking about schools and stuff. Then she came out of the blue and was like, man, I got mad earlier. I was like, what did you get mad about? She was like, I got mad because they didn't give me no homework. What the fuck? So they give her more homework, and she finishes that.
And she gets mad
because they won't give her more. Comment below if you ever heard of anybody getting mad about not getting homework. I'll be bitching because they gave me homework.
Right?
She don't kill me. Yeah. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my dip tower. I'm running out of space. I filled it up. I'm pushing almost 100 cans. I know that's a pussy tower, but hey, it's better than some of y'all bitches. I know it looks better than your girlfriend.
This guy. Alright. I told him like a dip wall. Kind of like Outlaw, but smaller, of course. But like, he says he wants to be original. So please comment below if you think that we should either keep it with the pyramid or switch to a wall. I would love to hear y'all's input on that.
I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna laugh at you go fuck yourself. Comment below if you think he should go fuck himself with a kayak dip can. Have balls in his ass.
Oh shit, this guy.
I tried to get him to do. We was gonna do a full can suicide dip video, but got the old chicken over there.
I don't think I can fucking fit a whole can in there.
You can fit a whole lot more, man.
What the fuck, nigga? The shit you say just amazes the fuck out of me.
Hey, I amaze myself sometimes. Dude, this shit. Now I just taste grape.
Yeah.
I don't taste nothing but grape.
I taste the peach and the grape at the same time. It's kind of confusing.
I think he got more peach than I do. I can't taste the mint, but it burns. I can feel it burn in the mint. But man,
This shit slick nasty though.
Who wants to kill a fella?
You can have that nasty shit. Unless you absolutely like kayak, which I don't know anybody that fucking does besides Peach. If you like kayak, you probably love this shit. If you don't, oh my god, don't try it. This is nasty shit. God damn, son.
I got dip all in my floor. Let me see this shit.
Yeah, there's dip everywhere. Hey, at least you got burn.
It's all about who's got the sense enough to use it. We burn a leaf blower. Fuck sweet when you blow it.
Oh shit.
I think this guy's gay. He's always taking shit to the gay side. Just saying. But yeah, I don't know how long this video is. But I guess like I always say in the videos, keep it freaking redneck. Keep dipping.
And please subscribe and comment below.
Yeah, for future dip video ideas, but for right now, get the sun out. And this fast.